Hi guys, in this service video I want to talk to you about the available service kits we have for the BlitzFire series of monitors. We're going to go through 5 different kits here. The issue that you may be presented with that these are intended to resolve. First and easiest is the XX482 kit. This is the carbide spike kit that goes on the folding legs and the front legs. These are what help to give the monitor its best stability, so having sharp spikes on your monitor ensures that they stay planted. Our suggestion is that the flat not be any wider than a 1/16 of an inch before they're replaced. So if you notice that your spikes are worn, the XX482 kit will give you the parts and pieces you need to replace those on your monitor simply. Now with all these kits, I'll say here, where Loctite is needed for the parts, whether it be red or blue, we do include those in each one of those kits, so I won't mention that for each kit. Moving along from the XX482 kit, we'll look at the XX830 kit, which is the exit elevation clutch. This clutch kit is what's mounted here at the exit of the monitor. This is a standard BlitzFire. If you were to have a high elevation BlitzFire, you'll find 2 clutches. But it's same kit, just one more clutch than the standard BlitzFire. This clutch kit is what holds the exit of the nozzle in its position when you set it. So if you raise the nozzle up, it should hold itself. But if you find that you raise it up and it falls down and you've tried making the appropriate adjustments to the tensioning nut, and it still doesn't hold its position, then at that point in time the clutch kit likely needs to be replaced, and that's the XX830 kit. Moving on to the next, we have the XX910 kit, XX910 kit. This is the trip mechanism kit. It's the internals in the BlitzFire that hold the valve open until the monitor feels its 1 G of force. That's what is the safety shutoff for the monitor. So if you have a monitor that you open the handle and it just flops back shut, you have to physically hold it in the open position. Most likely the clutch kit has been worn through good years of use, and that would need to be replaced. And that is the XX910 kit. As we continue along, kind of dovetailing into that trip mechanism, when the monitor does trip or you close it, there's a slow close mechanism that prevents the unit from slamming shut. And that slow close takes place by an internal silicone damping fluid that's located on this side of the monitor. It's in a housing inside there that keeps that captive. So if you notice your monitor is slamming shut when it trips, or if in the storage bracket of the monitor you notice a puddle of goo, if you will, a very sticky fluid sitting beneath the monitor, likely the damping fluid has leaked out of the monitor, and that's what's causing it to slam shut. Now we have 2 different kits to rectify this. We have a fluid kit, and you can kind of see the viscous nature of the damping fluid there. That's what does the slow close. So the simplest of the kits is the XX651 kit, which includes a bottle of the damping fluid, more than you need to do the repair. Then it also includes a quad seal for the disc in the body, as well as a couple O-rings to seal the handle to keep that fluid captive. Now, if you have a monitor that was manufactured prior to October of 2019, the XX651 kit is going to be your option. If it was manufactured after June of 2019, then there are a couple options. You can use the XX651 kit, or you can get a complete assembly, a slow close assembly. This is the XX646 kit. If you don't know the date of your monitor, it's a very visual reference check as to which is appropriate. Prior to 2019, October 2019, you'll just see 2 mounting screws here. That would require the XX651 kit because the slow close mechanism was an integral part of the casting. Those that have the assembly, if you prefer to just replace it as an assembly, you'll notice 2 screws on either side of the slow close mechanism. In this case, like I said, you can replace the entire assembly, or you can buy the fluid kit and refill the fluid yourself. That's a quick overview of the 5 kits available for the BlitzFire and some to rectify some of the repairs that you may have to undertake. If you have questions beyond those, you can reach out to us at the support tab at tft.com.